Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover. Removal. Remove the 4 thin 3mm P1 Phillips head screws from the recess in the display panel assembly. Remove the 5 3mm P1 Phillips head screws from the display stand. Remove the 2 3mm P1 Phillips head screws from the bottom edge of the display panel assembly. Using a non-marring, flat-bladed tool, carefully release the display enclosure from the display panel assembly. Caution: to prevent damage to the display enclosure, take extreme care when the non-marring flat-bladed tool is near any of the external buttons or connectors. Remove the display enclosure. Replacement. Place the display enclosure onto the display panel assembly and apply pressure to the edges of the display enclosure to secure it into position. Replace the 2 3mm P1 Phillips head screws into the bottom edge of the display panel assembly. Replace the 5 3mm P1 Phillips head screws under the display stand. Replace the 4 thin 3mm P1 Phillips head screws into the recess in the display panel assembly.